Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Spring Valley Lake local and long-distance movers near me. Our moving company, 3 Movers, is highly recommended for residential moving around Spring Valley Lake. We have durable, well-maintained vehicles for conveying your possessions, know the best route to your destination on time, and have an adroit team to ensure your possessions are packed and crated for your move. We are also the go-to movers for military personnel moving to Spring Valley Lake. We also ensure that your sensitive belongings are confidentially relocated with nothing misplaced. We have conducted local relocation here for several years and have over 97% of people we worked with recommended our services. We also specialize in long-distance moving. We provide a budget-friendly price quote determined by your moving distance and the belongings involved. Our prices are one-fit-all, and there are no hidden charges. Our services are insured against in-transit damage, and our collaborative network in California and nationwide watches over your goods while they are being conveyed, ensuring that no damage occurs. We have a climate-controlled storage facility to preserve your belongings should they get to your destination before you. Our team members are professional in their dealings and carry out relocation to our clients' taste. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spring Valley Lake moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.